Matrix Planning by School Data is your school's ticket to optimise staffing and resourcing, ensuring this is the smoothest and most efficient timetable planning season you've ever experienced. When you sign up, the School Data team import your past timetables and generate for you an instant 23-page timetable report. This report surfaces crucial metrics like total staffed face-to-face teaching load and allowances and much more. FTEs per year level and faculty give you an indication of the health of your learning areas, while several customers have used the average teacher FTE per year level and faculty page to drive their staffing strategy. The report is rounded out with average class sizes per year level and faculty, class size distribution charts, and room utilisation charts. Perhaps best of all, we'll book you in for a Teams call where we dissect the information in this report so you have a clear understanding of how to interpret subsequent timetable reports. The team will also load your Timetable Variations app, an interactive web page that some schools have dubbed the Instant Timetable Review. Data from your timetable is displayed on the screen and users can test the effect of varying certain metrics like period length, full-time teacher loads. You can even make enrolment projections and alter average class sizes. Then press Run and get an instant estimate of the cost increase or reduction associated with these changes. While we're in the App Store, pretty much every one of our customers uses our exam timetable app, because our exam app rapidly creates the best exam timetable possible while respecting all of your weird and wonderful constraints. And by default, no student can have 3 exams on the same day. Timetablers tell us that it takes several hours to try to manufacture this for students. Our app usually does it in about 6 seconds. But these are just the bonus features. The most popular features of the Matrix Planning site are the class planning and staff planning modules. Schools who use these modules know their staffing needs in some cases months earlier than the competition. And these schools also have much less data tidying to do after subject selection day, so the timetabler can start constructing next year's timetable weeks ahead of schedule. The Class Planner wizard asks you which subjects you're planning on offering next year. Then you can assign likely numbers of classes to those subjects. Whether they're year-long, semester-based, or term-based classes. Just by typing a number in this field, the classes are created in the Planner Grid. In the Planner Grid, you can give your learning leaders access to provide their staffing dream teams. If you do that, when they come in, they'll only see classes tagged to their learning area. Then the Director of Staffing can use this as a base before making adjustments. And when you click on a class to staff it, the site tells you who wants to teach it, who has taught it before, and if you like, you can even find out who is qualified to teach it or who taught it 15 years ago in Brisbane, for example, as long as you're using the staff intentions forms in our site. More on that in a second. When you add a teacher to the class is instantly added to the teacher's load. So if you're staffing on 2 screens, you can review loads while you staff the classes. The staff planning module includes staff intentions forms that talk directly to your planner grid, as we've just seen. Ask part-time staff for their preferred FTE, and this data is stored on the teacher's loads page, so it's on hand when you need to see it. Ask teachers for their preferred subjects, their qualifications, camps they'd like to attend, even subjects they taught elsewhere 15 years ago, and the answers will present themselves when you're staffing the classes. The days of memorising the form responses or who taught systems 10 years ago are behind you. This is just the tip of the iceberg as far as our product suite goes. Student predictors, core class allocators that respect student groups who must be kept together or apart, subject change forms and databases, and much more. If you'd like to know more, you'd like to request a demo, or you have a question, please contact us at info@schooldata.com.au. This timetable planning season, arm yourself with all the data you need to optimally resource your school and simultaneously take back your nights and weekends at the busiest time of the year with Matrix Planning by School Data.